If statements. In Python, we use if statements in our code as conditions to filter what we want from the given data. The if statement allows you to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is true. For example, let's let x equals to 5. If the condition is if x is more than 3, green is greater than 3. As x equals to 5 and 5 is more than 3, hence this condition is true and x greater than 3 is printed out. However, if x was not greater than 3, for example 1, then nothing would be printed out. Let's now set x equals to 10. Let's say if x is equals to 10 and if x is more than 3, we will print out x is greater than 3. However, another condition, which is x less than 3, if x is less than 3, then we'll print out x is lesser than 3. This else statement basically means that it is the opposite of this statement. So if x more than 3 is true, then it will print out x is greater than 3. However, if x greater than 3 is false, which means that x is lesser than 3, then x is lesser than 3 will be printed out. We can use this else statement if two conditions are needed. However, we can also have else if for multiple statements, such as if x equal 3, which means if x equals to 3, then we'll print x equals to 3. We use the else if statement for multiple conditions. Otherwise, if there's only one condition, we can just use the if. If there are two conditions, we can use if and else. Apart from this, there are also nested if statements. Nested if statements means that there are if statements within each other to check for complex conditions. Using a simple example of x equals 10, say if x is more than 5, and if x is less than 10, we'll print out x is greater than 5 but lesser than 10.